particle ecosystem. Take a seat and admire the beautiful particles and play with them. A P5.js-based interactive experience entirely coded by ChatGPT. The canvas is full with reactive particles, moving around freely. By placing 4 different elements, the user is able to affect the particles and their movement and play with them. Particle ecosystem is a visually pleasing and artsy experience. Don't be shy and try it out yourself.
In an era where surveillance looms large, my project emerges as a thought-provoking prototype. It uses real-time image processing to mask human emotions, presenting a neutral facade to facial detection systems. After a brief countdown, the system captures a neutral expression, which is then dynamically overlaid onto the user's face, adjusting to their movements. This prototype not only challenges the boundaries of privacy, but also sparks critical discussion on the balance between technological surveillance and personal freedom.
Welcome to Simple Interface, an interactive game that transforms simple processes into complex challenges by reimagining conventional interactions. This unpredictable user interface features unique behaviors for each button. Some avoid your mouse, others follow it, and still others change as you interact. The interface transforms every element into a dynamic part of your creative journey. Expect the unexpected.
In the workshop, I did create a little interactive game with ChatGPT. The story is about Jimmy, a cute little plant, in which you have to help him to survive because he has dried out. So, if you click on the intro picture, the game starts. The scene shows a rainy day, and after a few seconds, a bucket full of water appears. The next scene is the next morning. You have to click to let the sun rise. The sun appears now at the bottom and moves from the end of the screen to its highest point after you have clicked 3 times. The sun has now lit the candle. When you click again, you can see that the rope that held the bucket straight is now broken. With the bucket's current position, you can fill Jimmy's pot with water. When you click again, you can see you have saved Jimmy's life and he's happy again.
CCITV aims to visualize the potential of artificial intelligence to restore our privacy by censoring CCTV footage without losing the security it provides. Visual cues such as the international hand sign for help and screaming will override the censorship and show the unobstructed video feed for that time. AI can be used to solve our problems or create more for us. It is our choice how to use it.
This is the Farfallino translator. Grab an Italian friend and ask him to say anything.
Buongiorno a tutti.
This website will bring him back to elementary school with its formidable translation. You can also hear it back. Wait, that's not how Italians sound like?
Okay, now I will show you a little game I made over the last few days with the help of ChatGPT. The goal of the game is to eat all of these food items and avoid all of the bombs. And as you can see on the top, there's a score and a high score, and you basically have to get as high of a score as possible, and items get quicker over time. Yeah, and as you can see, if you touch one of the bombs, the score resets, and that's it. Cool.
Okay, now I will present to you my game, which I built the last 3 days. It's called Catch the Fly, and it's a very basic interaction with my hand and the camera. When I start the game, my hand movement gets tracked, and if I move my hand above the fly, I get a point. And now you see when I'm too slow, the frog will eat the fly before me and I will lose a life. And yeah, that's basically how it works. And if I catch 10 flies, I get a level up.
Dive into pills of society where survival hinges on catching life-sustaining pills with your avatar, controlled by your real-life head movements. Open your mouth to capture each pill that falls in this hand-drawn world, crafted in a single day. Challenge yourself, test your limits, and define your destiny. Are you ready? Play Pills of Society now.
Hi, I am Posty, the interactive poster generation robot. Please provide a few parameters for our collaborative poster design process. How are you feeling? Are you excited? Of course, this influences our poster design. Please use your hand to show me where you want the graphics. Very nice. The poster is now finished.